Here we are going to see some numeric function in spreadsheet. Yeah, let's get started. First, the sum function. Sum function is just simple that it sums up the value of selected cells as it's shown in screen. Here I selected the range of cells and it gives sums of the values. Next, in average function, it gives the average value of selected cells. Here I insert average function and select the ranges of cells and it gives me the average value of the 4 values. Next, in count function is just simple that it gives the answer the number of cells that I selected. Next, in absolute function, it gives the absolute answer. That is, if I enter -1 means it gives +1. Any number of negative number means it gives a positive number, like this. Next, in round function, it round off the given value, like this. If I want the round off value with 2 digit, so that I want to mention the 2, so that it will give the round off value with 2 digit. Here see 1.22. And then in integer function, it will give absolute integer value if any number of number is given, like a decimal number. Next, in Randbetween number is simple that if I give the range of the number, it will give the random number from the range, like this. It is just simple. And then in rand function, it declares the random number which is less than 1. Next, the power function. In power function, if I give the input as for what value I need power and what is the power. Here I want 4, power value is 2. It gives me the answer 16. Like this only. Next, in max function, it declares the maximum value of a given group of numbers. Next, in minimum function, same as maximum, it gives the minimum value of given group of numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.